everyone, welcome to our bedtime story read aloud. I have our first bedtime book, Beep Beep Go to Sleep by Todd Tarpley. And this was one of my son's favorite books. And I also have my pillow and my stuffies, my loveys to go to sleep with, and my favorite pajama socks. I hope you're all tucked in and ready for bed. Here we go. Beep, beep, go to sleep. Three little robots. Time for bed. Time to dim your infrared. Brush your rotors round and round. Clean your shields. And power down. Quiet at last, not a peep. Three little robots are beep, beep. Is something wrong? I need my coil. My sensors ache. I want more oil. Better now? Then rest your head. Three little robots back to bed. Quiet at last, not a peep. Shh. Three little robots are beep, beep. What is it now? I need a light. My fan melts loose. My bolt's too tight. Quiet at last, not a peep. Shh. Three little robots are beep, beep. Robots, are you still awake? Engines off for goodness sake. No more beeping, no more talking, no more squeaking, no more squawking, no more blipping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, squeaking, oinking. Oinking? Go to sleep. Quiet at last, not a peep. Three little robots are beep, beep. What now? You need what? Oh, a bedtime story. Somewhere there are robots beeping, buzzing, bouncing, squawking, squeaking, blipping, bopping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, even oinking. But not these robots snuggled deep. They finally got their boy to sleep. And look, the boy is sleeping and the robots are still awake. Snip, snap, snout, our story's out. Sweet dreams, everyone. I love you. Good night.